Hello, roofing companies. In this short video, I'm going to run through with you a AI bot that we have built out specifically for roofers to help you re-engage anybody in the past that you have done a quote for but they have not accepted for whatever reason. So we work with loads of roofing companies, and one of the constraints that we see is they'll get out there and they'll do quotes for people and then they won't hear from them again. They don't have a system to follow it up. And this is that system. So I'm going to show you how that looks. In another video, I'm going to run through and I'm going to show you a sales bot that we've built out for roofing companies as well. That's a separate video, but essentially that will manage all of your inquiries coming into the business, and it is an absolute game changer. So keep an eye out for that. Anyway, this one right here, as I mentioned, is our quote, like re-engagement bot, if you want to call it that. The question that's going to get this conversation started would be, hey, is this the same Matt that we did a roof quote for a little while back? Or something along those lines, right? So I'm just going to reply to that and say, yep, this is Matt. Oh, thank goodness, my calendar just pinged me to call, but I didn't want to disturb you. Are you still looking for help? Yeah, well, help as in we're getting a roof sorted out. Are you still considering having work done on it? Oh, right. Oh, right. Yeah, we still need it replaced. The leak is getting... Oh. Yeah, we still need it replaced. The leak getting worse. Worse. We've been away, so haven't done anything about it. Rightio, leak roof's no good, especially with how unpredictable the weather's been. How old is your roof? Well, you already quoted it. Good answer. It's about 25 years. Cheers for that. And what material is the roof made of? It's tiles. Cracked tiles, apparently. Gotcha, those cracked tiles can be a real nuisance, especially with the leaks, when the leaks get in. Well, we can definitely help you sort that out for you. We pride ourselves on the highest quality roofing products at competitive prices. Would you like to schedule a callback to discuss this further? What sort... Oh, have the prices changed? How about that? Have the prices changed much? So just keep in mind as well, this is working off a prompt that I've created, which can be customized according to your business. So don't feel like if there's anything here you don't like the sound of, it can be 100% customized to suit you. So if any of these questions or answers you don't like the look of, then that can all be fixed. For specific pricing, it's best to have a chat with one of our advisors. Can you give me the most... they can give you the most up-to-date info based on roof conditions and what you're looking at to get done. How does scheduling a call sound to get those details nailed down? Yeah, okay. So keep in mind, this contact we're speaking with right here in this instance, in this example. This is someone that we have a past relationship with, so it's not like a cold lead as such. In the other video, I'll show you how we would handle cold traffic. That calendar link that they put through there as well, just understand that when we work with our clients, we will typically we set them up on Tradie Hub. Go check it out, actually, tradiehub.net. That's where you'll get access to all this cool stuff anyway. But the calendars will have an allocated time in it, and we'll actually be able to say, the bot will actually be able to say to someone, hey, okay, how's Thursday at 3 p.m. if that's what your availability is. And it can book them in, so then they just get sent the notifications for the upcoming meeting, and it's all just done. It's all locked in, so they haven't got to actually click on anything. It'll all be done, so it's pretty cool. Anyway, that's it for me. As I mentioned before, make sure you check out the sales bot. That's a real game changer. That'll be in another video. I look forward to chatting to you guys soon. Head over to tradiehub.net and get started on this. Ciao.